Welcome to the Med Spa Minute, where every week we give you expert tips on what's new and hot at Luna Med Spa. I'm Jessica Hutchins, nurse practitioner and owner of Luna Med Spa. And this week I have with us Kenzie Madden. Mackenzie's a nurse here at Luna, and she is also our science-spert. So,
you mean the in-house nerd?
Yeah, the in-house nerd. So she's going to break it down today for us on plated exosomes. And so, Mackenzie, what are exosomes?
So exosomes are a delivery system, is a simple way to put it. I'm going to take us back to 5th grade biology here real quick, okay? So in 5th grade, we were taught that all of our cells have a cell wall, right? And that protects our cells. However, we also learned that our cells have to be able to talk to each other to make our entire body work. And the way that cells talk to each other is through an exosome. That is the mailing system. That's how they send each other messages.
Oh, like the little communicator.
They are. They're little communicators. You can think of them as an email system, a mailing system, a texting system.
Perfect.
Yeah, whatever you want to call it.
Love it.
The way they work is they are able to send messages and tell the cell to do something. So in our case here, we carry plated exosomes, and plated is a product that has messages from the exosomes that say build collagen, don't hyperpigment in the skin, fix those fine lines and wrinkles, add hydration back into the skin. So all the good messages that our skin needs as we are aging or if we have skin conditions like acne.
And plated actually calls their exosomes renewasomes, which means that all of their exosomes are handpicked and derived to just only replicate good messages and the messages that we want to communicate to cells. So like Kenzie said, for hyperpigmentation, collagen building. So what exactly does plated do then for the skin? Like what can we expect to see if we're getting treated with exosomes?
So it depends on your usage of it. If you're using it just daily, right, it's going to help with those fine lines, wrinkles, help either prevent the aging process if you're somebody who's in the early signs of aging or somebody who is in the later signs of aging. It's actually going to help reverse the aging process. And the cooler thing too about them is that they can also increase your results of your skincare that you're getting here as well. So they improve those.
Yes, and I also have noticed when using it, it increases the luminosity of my skin. Like I just look brighter and...
Absolutely. It helps to add back in that collagen that we lost. And we all know collagen holds hyaluronic acid, and hyaluronic acid makes our skin look shiny and beautiful.
tighter and brighter. So Kenzie, who would use exosomes?
Anybody who is over the age of 25. So that's anybody who's in the aging process should be using an exosome to prevent the aging process.
Totally.
Anybody who is getting a skincare treatment that is going to cause a skin injury, right? A controlled skin injury, but a skin injury nonetheless. So somebody who would be getting microneedling, Silfirm would be great. Anybody who wants to add collagen back into their skin and reverse the aging process, this is going to be great too. And this is also something that helps you protect your investment in your skin.
Yep. And we use exosomes on every single patient after treatment here at Luna Med Spa. We love plated exosomes. And yeah.
There's a few different kinds of them too. So there's some that actually help with the hair growth. There's some that help with around the eye area. And then there's some that are just, I want to bathe in them and just put them everywhere. So there's a few different options that we have available here too, but they are a really amazing product and probably my favorite.
Me too. We were one of the first in Wisconsin. No, we were the first in Wisconsin to carry, or the Milwaukee area, I should say. I shouldn't say the whole state. Milwaukee area to carry plated exosomes, and we have been loving them ever since. Almost all of our patients are on plated exosomes, and if you're not, you should be.
Absolutely. Everybody should be on these. These are even great for people who have acne too. So even if you're a little bit younger and you aren't in the aging process yet, these exosomes actually help with acne products too, specifically Plated Calm.
Yes, we love plated calm. That's the one that we use here in our practice every day.
No, they're great.
Is there anything else that you can think of that we didn't touch on?
Not off the top of my head. I think we kind of went through everything, Jess.
Perfect. Well, catch us next week on Med Spa Minute, where we continue to talk about what's the best treatment for you and new and hot at Luna.